Hello and welcome. We're at CMT Trade Fair in Stuttgart. This is Friedrich. The company's called Greenlander. This is their vehicle. And Friedrich, what is this?
It's Iveco Daily 4x4.
Yeah.
And it's our off-road car. We built these boxes and we built it on different chassis. Mm-hmm. But this one is from the Iveco Daily. And
Okay, so what about this? Let's start off with the Iveco Daily then. So what engine have we got in this?
The Iveco Daily 4x4, it's like a 3 liter 180 horsepower engine. And
Okay, let's have a look inside the box then, the living compartment. Do you want to go inside? So in here we've got obviously with a box that goes on the top, so it's like a container. I don't know if that's the right word to use. And so, what can you say about it?
So the focus on this one is like really natural material, lightweight material. It's all made from sandwich materials, with the focus on using natural fiber reinforced composites.
Yes.
And that's pretty much all about. We focus on showing these natural materials in some areas to have a good and nice warm feeling. Light, a lot of windows, like that you have like this panorama view. And
So at the back we've got the bed. We've got a big panoramic window here, enormous window. We've got the windows themselves. They're made from glass. So these windows, you're looking at a couple of €1,000 plus, at least for something like that. Sitting place here. Over here, we've got 2 burners. We've got the sink, so it's more or less sort of standard, but it's a big domestic sink that you've got there. Under here, we've got a of course, the central locking. I forgot. Yeah, central locking. So we've got the drawers here, and there's the knives, and there's the plates. And above as well, the central locking being an interesting feature, of course, because we wouldn't want the things coming over open on a rough and bumpy road. Over here we've got the same Dometic fridge that we see in a lot of it opens 2 ways, and below it we've got a Dometic grill as well. What's below the grill?
That's just some space, some
storage.
Room for storage. Yes.
And we've got some storage as well here, I see.
Exactly.
So there's jackets. And now, if we come into the toilet here, so we've got a Cinderella system,
exactly.
But obviously I think this is made though to order, so it doesn't have to be a Cinderella system.
Exactly, it can be everything else.
Yeah, Cinderella system uses gas to, so it burns your waste, but it does use quite a lot of gas to do so.
It's quite a clean solution, but for sure it takes some.
It takes a fair bit of energy, yes. Sink here. Now this you can have the crawl space coming. This one's got a solid wall, but there can be crawl space through there. And behind this door, I'm going to assume there's a shower.
Exactly.
So let's have a look at the. Whoops, sorry, I tripped up. And there's the shower. So it's quite a large shower room, in fact. And storage at the back here as well, which, there we go. So, and now the shape of the roof is something you've got here. It's high here and it comes down here. What's the reason for that?
Because then on top of the bed you don't need that much space.
Yes.
And you have from the outside you have like some nice space for storage.
Yeah.
That don't stick out about the height of the car.
Yes.
And it's as well like a design feature.
Yes. And down here as well, I notice there's a bit of space, and that's the access to the garage.
It's like a closed space for some storage stuff.
Right,
No,
yeah.
so like some messy.
Yeah, we've got to put our stuff somewhere. Water.
Water, we have 250 liter fresh water and 120 liter grey water.
Yeah.
They are insulated. They are underneath the car, and we have a water heating system. We have all the heating in the floor, and the table, for example, is a heated area as well.
Oh, heated table.
Basically. Yeah.
Oh wow, okay.
We didn't have enough space for a radiator at the wall, so.
Yeah, okay, that's brilliant. Yeah, first time I've heard of that. Super.
If you need, you can just use it as a heating. Yeah. So.
And so I'll admit, the insulation material is used PET bottles, which I know from my own experience in the packaging industry is quite an efficient insulation system, as well as of course being ecological, and it's using used materials.
Exactly.
And so up here we've got the panel, and then we can sort of decide. We can see, turn the fridge on and off. We can turn the lighting on and off. We've got the 12 volts. We can see how much power's still remaining. Very good, super. So I think that's about it, unless there's anything else to add.
I think that's all. Yes.
So I'll go outside, finish off do a little bit around the outside. So thank you.
Thank you. Thanks for listening.
And let's have just a quick look around the outside. So we've got space, the garage, and kayak on the roof. Look down. I think that's called a roll bar, and the point of that is to stop when you go. I think it's when you go over a hill or something that stops the bottom of the van, I think, or something like that, hitting it. Okay, right. So we'll have a look around the front again. So I hope you found that interesting. We've got lots of 4x4 vehicles. The cost of something like this is from €250,000, so it's like to 300,000. It depends on the equipment levels, whereas these things are largely built to order. The cabin, the box at the back, will always be the same layout. So obviously you can change the cosmetic stuff, you can have a different colour on the walls or something like that, but you can't have a different layout. That is the way it is, that's the way it's been designed. So thanks very much for being here. This is a CMT trade fair. This is the professionals day, that's why there's not many people here. And as you can hear, there's people actually speaking, doing other presentations. And so for the moment, from me, thanks for being with me, and bye for now.